morning children, welcome to my class. See, today I am going to teach you importance of joints. But before that, let us just go through hinge joint, that it allows back and forth movement in one direction only. Then let us come to ball and socket joint. You see here, it allows movement in all directions. Then pivot joint allows rotation only, and gliding joint allows the bones to glide over each other. Now you see, the most important thing here, what is the importance of joints in our body? Okay, so bones are rigid structures that cannot bend. We cannot bend our hands. Now you see, in this portion, the upper arm is known as the humerus. So can we bend our here the bone in the humerus section? No. Can we bend our bone in the lower arm? That is, this ulnar radius is there. Can we bend our bone here? No. We can bend our bone only at the elbow. See, in case of legs also, we can bend our legs only at the knees. Okay, where we have joints, we can bend our bones. Now you see here, joints provide flexibility to our body by allowing bones to move in different directions. Okay, now what is the meaning of flexibility here? The quality of bending easily without breaking. Flexibility means the quality of bending easily without breaking. Now suppose we bend our hands, okay, or bend our legs and suddenly it breaks, then what would happen? So it would not happen because of our bones. They provide flexibility to our body. Okay, bones provide flexibility. Now you see, different bones, different types of joints provide movement in certain directions only. There are different joints. Now we all discussed about this joint: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. So different types of joints provide movement in certain directions only. Fluid present within the joints moisturizes the surface of bones to allow smooth movement. Now here children, a very important thing is there. What kind of fluid is present? That is known as synovial fluid. Okay? Excuse me. So we are talking about the fluid which is present within the joints. That fluid name is synovial fluid. Okay, that is synovial fluid. It is not given in your book, but this is very important. You should know what kind of fluid is that. Synovial fluid is present within the joints which moisturizes the surface of the bones to allow smooth movement. Now what is synovial fluid? Okay, what is synovial fluid? Synovial fluid is the thick liquid that lubricants your joints and keeps them moving smoothly. Now please understand this. Synovial fluid is a thick liquid. This is how it helps your bones, how it helps your joints, this synovial fluid. This is a thick liquid that lubricants your joints. Like lubricants, what is the meaning of lubricants? Like oiling. It oils your joints actually. Okay, and keeps them moving smoothly so that we can do our work properly and easily also, you can say in other words. So once again I am saying, synovial fluid is the thick liquid that lubricants your joints and keep them moving smoothly. Okay, now let us continue. Thus we can say that joints are points of movement. See, this elbow, this knee, these are all points. Okay, points of movement within the skeletal system, and hence are an important component of our body. What is the meaning of component? One of several parts of which something is made. One of several parts of which something is made. One of the several parts. So this joint is one of the several parts. This is one of the components of which our body is made. Okay children, so you please go through importance of joints. This is very important. So here we are learning a new thing, that is synovial fluid which is present in our joints. Okay, please go through this importance of joints and also please read the lesson. At the end of the lesson, I shall give you question answers. Now, no need to write. At the end of the lesson, I shall give you small objective type questions and long type questions also. Then you please write down in your copy. Now, you please read the lesson and go through everything, whatever I taught.